How to verify phone number on Discord. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how you can verify your phone number on Discord, you may follow up the step. So for that, first thing you can do is go ahead and open up your Discord application, or you may even head over to the browser version of Discord and basically log in using your credentials into your account. So once you are logged in, you should be finding this given interface, and the next step you can do is from here you may locate up the new option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it and then open up your profile page. Now, once you open up your profile page, the next thing you can do is just go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Locate that up and tap on it. And then once you tap on settings, go ahead and locate this option called account, which is under get right nitro, and just go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you go ahead and tap on account here, it will show you your account information. Now, in order to verify your phone number, you need to go ahead and locate this option called phone, which is right under the email section. Just go ahead and tap on phone. And then once you tap on phone, all you gotta do is simply verify your phone number. So if your country code is not selected, you can tap on the country code option and select up the country from where you belong. And on the next process, type in your phone number which is located on your device right now. After that, tap on next and you